This is one of our new strength training machines. Is it our assisted dip, assisted chin-up, assisted pull-up machine. It serves two purposes. You can perform a pull-up or chin-ups where we're going to target our back, biceps, and part of our shoulder, or we can perform dips where we'll target more of your tricep, your chest, as well as your shoulder. For assisted, you will actually use weight to kind of help you perform the exercise. It will be determined by the strength levels that you already possess. So to perform this, we're first going to do the pull-ups. There's several different pull-ups that we can perform with this machine. So we already had our adjusted weight. So you'll step up from the step up onto the platform, knees obviously on there. We're going to do a regular straight pull-up on the high bar where you come down, and again, the weight of the plate is assisting you perform this exercise. We can also do it on the lower bar, also will depend on your height on that. Coming up. We also can perform a hammer pull-up. Again, either way, you can do it on the lower bar or the upper bar. And hammer grip, again, the thumbs are facing outwards. And then the last pull-up that we can perform is actually a regular basic chin-up where you're going to target mainly the biceps here. You're going to do a reverse or a supination grip. So from there, we now will perform the dip. What's great about this, you can adjust the handle to the inner or outer grip. It will just target the muscle group a little bit differently. Again, we will adjust our weights. We will place our hands on the handles, and we're going to let ourselves propel down. As we get our arms into a 90-degree angle, we will now push up, push our body upwards.